What? Only one surveyor today? Don't worry, the Meridian Rubber Total Station can be operated by a single person. All you need is a Meridian handheld device to remotely control the total station. Want to know how? Follow me.
Connect the total station via Bluetooth first. Select the correct module and connection type. Find the SEN in the Bluetooth list and connect. You can switch to total station or RTAK mode in the point survey interface. In total station mode, you can remotely control the total station for position. Once the prism is locked, the IMU is activated. And ready is displayed. Measurement is not affected even if the prism is tilted. Switch to RTAK mode. You can also measure points with RTAK.
You Meridian, do you get it?